加油 ，scan 有 code 有 ，OK， 很好，可以过，就是没有问题。我们现在要去怡保，呃，怎么样认 ？Platform 3 Abang Batu Cave，Platform 2 Tanjung Malim， 怡保 Platform 2。OK， 在这里读哦，不要搞错哦。Platform 2怡保 ，Platform 2怡保。真的很怕自己再弄错，所以跟你们讲刚刚发生了什么事情。Coach B， 第二个 Seat EB，OK， 千万不要弄错啊，这是 Platform 2啊。OK， 事情是这样子的，我是第一次做 KTM， 去怡保 ，OK， 那就发生了一些事情，就是我上网买票，朋友介绍我用这个 KTMB apps 来上网买票 ，OK， 我就买了这个票，从吉隆坡去怡保 ，then 我就跑去 KL Central 排队，结果 scan code 的时候进不去，他说你的站是从 KL 瓜纳隆坡站出发，不是从那个 KL Central 站出发，我傻掉了啊！有分别的咩？瓜纳隆坡站 KL Central 站 ，Oh gosh！ 然后我那个 guard 就跟我说，你去考的那边叫我们帮你 extend 这个票啊，就说我从KL Central 出发这样子。然后我就乖乖的去那考的那边哦，结果看到一大堆人在排队，你要拿号码排队来轮到你的，哦，不能够插队的。那时候时间剩下大概15分钟罢了吧。那我在那边想，那可能轮到我，那怎么办？我想，有没有方法啊？38块，我顿时心情又 down 掉了，你知道吗？我想，怎么一出发就遇到这样的问题？那我就上网查瓜纳隆坡站到底在哪里？因为瓜纳隆坡站就是巴萨舍尼站，只是一个站坐 LT 从 KL Central 一个站就到这里了。那 LT 一直有的，差不多5分钟就1-2分钟。如果那个一早跟我说你从坐 LT 过来巴萨舍尼就可以到这个瓜纳隆坡站，我想我不会 miss 掉那个 train。没错，我 miss 掉那个 train。当我发现的时候，我赶快坐 LT 冲过来这里。那时候是11:37，下站，我赶快冲啊！我希望这个 train 啊 delay 啊还是什么啊，眼睁睁看他走过去 pass。OK，so miss 掉那个 train， 只好重新再来买票。OK， 这次没有搞错了，其实很快罢了的，从那个 LT 站走过来这里，走几步路啊，爽，风吹，风吹 ，No selfie stick on the platform。OK， 稍微坐一下，等一下。OK， 火车到了，ET9176。F1。OK， 人只是坐在里面。
No, my seat is just like in front.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. I also, take your time, take your time. Okay. You want to get some drink? Ada belanja no?
I wasn't.
You puasa? No, belum lagi lah. Baru Januari.
Saya tengah control makan sekarang.
Okay. You want to get some drink?
No, thank you. I got my tea. I got my water.
Oh, okay.
I just had my lunch with nasi lemak. You see all my Tupperware. I
Okay.
always travel in Star.
Okay, then I buy also. Yeah, I try. You sit. So 本来看食堂长这样子，在那边 Hot cup. Making hot cup and one hot coffee.
Which one?
Black coffee.
Which one do you prefer? This one is here is curry.
This one.
This one, yeah.
Okay. Black coffee. Open beer. Okay. Thank you. Bunting, you know bunting?
Banting.
Yeah,
I thought
Banting.
you're from Japanese.
Huh?
I thought you're from Japan.
No, Japanese.
Look like Japanese is a camper. It must be a foreigner coming from Japan.
Just trying to
Local lah, yeah.
local, yeah.
I'm not driving. Because this camper normally Japanese. They were carrying the camera and taking a photo.
Travel.
And your
I
face
just,
too.
I just local be local.有各种各样的东西在卖，有咖啡，有冷饮，100 plus，有各国的，有各国的 sandwich，炒面，炒 spaghetti，炒饭，就只有10个位置坐。OK，对。
Sit again. On the left. On the left. On the left and then down.
The left door is it door? You can see the
Oh, OK OK。哇，这个厕所没有人用的。Pintu sliding door. Sorry ya, tanya. Itu lantas macam mau buka?
nampak yang arrow tu atas tu buka, bawah tu tutup.
Atas tu buka?
Yang arrow tu nampak tekan buka.
Oh, tekan buka. Oke. Oke, ini. Oh, oke. Oke, oke. Oh. 笑死了都，笑死了，不会用，原来是这样 electro 那个时代，对，这首也算是，变到手机，小的变形。吃饱喝足，现在回我位置。It's okay, it's okay. You sit, you sit, you sit, you sit.
No.
Maybe I stand.
No.
Stand.
You don't worry, we are talking. So,
Continue talking.
it's okay, man.
Continue talking.
So, you during last time when I was young, my children are young, we have everything together. Now, the children are all like renting rooms, you know. They come back from the house, everybody go back to their own room already.
Yeah.
Huh?
New generations. I also like that.
That's why. That's why. Hey, don't like you sit down.
You sit, you sit.
No, I'm so used to standing. Really, please. This is your seat.
I cannot tahan. I cannot let old people stand in front of me. I can stand. You sit, you sit.
Oh, so oh fuck.
You sit, you sit, you sit. 在 train 里面认识了2个新的朋友。You will be in YouTube.
Oh.
You also will be in
I
YouTube.
go. You must
Stay
tell-
tuned.
You must tell me, ma, so that I need my hair bond.
Okay, let's do it one more time.
Yeah, no lah. I It must be natural, you see. But
Too
suddenly,
bad. Yeah, lor. Just so suddenly battery
me the-
die already. And then, okay, anyway, thank you, Auntie May.
yeah, Auntie May, don't forget, it's Auntie
My
May.
first friend in my first train, first KTM. Maybe second because I talked to her first. You are second friend.
I want to be first.
Oh, okay, okay.
No.
Okay,
Just
first
joking.
Auntie May because she introduced herself first. This is my second friend because she haven't introduced herself.
My name is Juliana.
Juliana. Okay. Happy to meet you guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm dropping soon. Hope to see you again.
Yeah, sure.
Oh. 对，倒一把。你看得到我吗？OK。时候不早了，今天的计划有一点 out of expectation，就是吃了2个小时，但是不算吃太多了，至少能去的地方肯定还是能去的，只是时间上的问题。OK，so 这就是今天第一次搭火车的经验。因为早上一些 mistake， 所以我错过了第一班车，要重新再 book 过那个火车票。然后也是因为这个原因，机缘巧合还是错有错着，还是因祸得福，然后认识了2位朋友，安迪妹还有Juliana，然后他们都是很健谈的朋友。然后也很高兴，突然间无端端就多了2个 subscribers， 感谢他们的支持哦。这就是我觉得旅游的时候遇到一些突发状况，然后会给你的人生带来一些乐趣，这样子。OK， 今天的影片就到此为止，希望你会喜欢，然后帮我点个赞，如果你真喜欢的话啦。OK， 就这样子，拜拜。